Welcome to Nick's Finance, the place where money matters takes center stage. We're thrilled to have you back, financial enthusiasts. Today, we've got a topic that's bound to make you grin from ear to ear: the secrets to scoring the ultimate tax refund. There's just something so satisfying about a nice chunk of change coming your way, right? In this video, we're diving headfirst into expert advice and clever strategies that will help you legally maximize your tax refund. We're talking about everything from selecting the perfect filing status to making sure you claim every single eligible deduction and credit. Get ready to soak up some invaluable insights that'll have you saving big on taxes and growing your wealth. So let's not waste another second. Let's dive right in and get started on this exciting journey to a bigger tax return. Maximize your filing status. When it comes to maximizing your tax refund, there's one key element that shouldn't be overlooked: choosing the right filing status. Instead of simply settling for the default option, take the time to explore different filing statuses that could potentially offer more deductions and credits tailored to your unique circumstances. Think about options like married filing separately, head of household, or qualified widow/widower. Each of these filing statuses comes with its own set of rules and benefits, so it's worth diving into the details to find the one that aligns best with your financial situation. By strategically selecting the filing status that suits you best, you have the power to make a significant impact on the size of your tax refund. It's like finding the perfect fit for your tax puzzle, unlocking opportunities for greater savings. So don't be afraid to explore the possibilities and choose wisely. Your pocket will thank you when that larger refund comes your way. Claim all eligible dependents. Here's a secret that could put more money in your pocket. You can claim more than just your children as dependents on your tax return. The IRS defines a dependent as someone you financially support, extending beyond just your kids. This means you could potentially claim your siblings, in-laws, parents, grandparents, or even your boyfriend or girlfriend as dependents. Don't overlook these eligible dependents and miss out on potential savings. Of course, there are qualifying tests you need to meet to claim these dependents. Understanding the criteria and gathering the necessary documentation is essential. By doing so, you can take full advantage of deductions and credits associated with claiming eligible dependents. Imagine the impact this could have on your tax refund. Properly identifying and claiming all eligible dependents can lower your taxable income and increase the amount of money you receive from the IRS. It's an opportunity you definitely don't want to miss. So expand your perspective on dependents and consider claiming other family members who rely on your financial support. By maximizing the number of eligible dependents you claim, you're maximizing your chances of a larger tax refund. Remember, every little bit counts. Take the time to understand the rules, gather the necessary documentation, and claim all eligible dependents on your tax return. You'll be glad you did when that bigger refund comes your way. As the saying goes, don't leave money on the table. Seize this opportunity to claim all the eligible dependents you can and make the most of your tax refund potential. Your wallet will thank you. Utilize tax credits. When it comes to maximizing your tax refund, tax credits are an incredibly powerful tool at your disposal. They can be the key to unlocking significant savings and putting more money back in your pocket. Tax credits work differently from deductions, directly reducing the amount of tax you owe, dollar for dollar. It's like a secret weapon that can make a real difference in your tax burden. There are various tax credits available, each designed to help different individuals or families. For example, the Earned Income Tax Credit is aimed at low to moderate income individuals and families. The Child Independent Tax Credit provides financial assistance for those caring for dependents who don't qualify for the Child Tax Credit. Speaking of the Child Tax Credit, it's a valuable credit that can significantly reduce your tax liability if you have qualifying children. These are just a few examples of the tax credits you can explore. Don't overlook the potential of tax credits when preparing your tax return. They can make a substantial difference in the amount you owe or the refund you receive. Consider itemizing deductions. While taking the standard deduction is the simplest option for most taxpayers, it might not always be the most beneficial. It's worth considering itemizing deductions to see if you can increase your refund further. Itemizing allows you to claim specific expenses that you incurred throughout the year, such as self-employment costs, education expenses, medical expenses, charitable contributions, and mortgage interest. By itemizing deductions, you create a detailed picture of your financial life. It's like peering into the intricacies of your expenses and finding opportunities for additional savings. Of course, determining whether to itemize or take the standard deduction can be complex, so it's a good idea to seek advice from a certified public accountant, CPA, or tax professional. They can guide you through the process and help you determine which option is most advantageous for your unique circumstances. Claim above-the-line deductions. If itemizing deductions seems too daunting or not applicable to your situation, there's another way to reduce your taxable income: above-the-line deductions. These deductions are available to all taxpayers and allow you to lower your tax liability without the need to itemize. Examples of above-the-line deductions include contributions to health savings accounts, HSAs, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, interest paid on student loans, and self-employment retirement contributions. By taking advantage of these deductions, you can decrease your taxable income and potentially receive a larger tax refund. It's like finding extra pockets of savings within the tax code. So don't overlook the benefits of above-the-line deductions when preparing your tax return. They can make a meaningful impact on your overall tax situation. Bonus tip: get your refund faster. We all know the feeling of eagerly waiting for our tax refund to arrive. To expedite the process and get your refund faster, there are a few key steps you can take. First and foremost, double-check all the information on your tax return to avoid any errors that could delay the processing. Next, ensure that your bank account information is accurate, as opting for direct deposit is the fastest way to receive your refund. It's like skipping the long line and going straight to the front. Additionally, it's crucial to take precautions to protect yourself from identity theft. Safeguard your personal information, use secure online filing methods, and be vigilant about potential scams. Lastly, consider filing your tax return electronically, as this can significantly reduce processing time and expedite your refund. It's like pressing the fast-forward button on your refund journey. And that's a wrap for today's video, folks. We truly hope that you found these insider tips on maximizing your tax return both helpful and informative. If you enjoyed what you learned here, don't forget to show us some love by giving this video a thumbs up, sharing it with your loved ones, commenting on some other tax strategies that have worked for you, and subscribing to our channel. We've got plenty more valuable financial advice coming your way, so stay tuned. Remember, by implementing these strategies, you'll be on the path to saving big on taxes and building a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to catch you in our next video. Remember to stay financially savvy and keep that thumbs up button busy.